So I'm out here washing the milking pails. And the way that we do it when we milk is we have a pail that we take with us that we milk into. So one of these. And then we have a filter. It's got mud in it from the kids, but we've got a filter that when we bring the milk pail back in, we will put this over a clean milk pail, an empty one that doesn't have the milk in it, and pour it into this. We have filters that fit over that hole that will filter the milk through. That just gets out any kind of like fine hairs that are in it. Also lets us know if the cows are developing any kind of mastitis or anything based on the way that it filters. The speed it filters will let us know if we've got some issues happening, and if there's any clumps in it, we know that there's some issues happening. So I feel like that's a very important step in the process. So that's the filter. That's completely clean. There is a rhyme or reason to the way that you wash these, because we are very meticulous with our raw milk. And so I usually change wash rags at least twice. It really depends on how much I have to wash. Today I have all 4. We have 2 sets. Today all 4 of them are dirty because I've gotten behind. We've been busy. So I have washed the inside. Now I will take my rag and I will wash the outsides. And I will never go back in on the inside again with this rag because it has now touched the outside of the pail. Same thing. Scrub the outside. And then this is usually the point after I've got all of our milk pails washed. Oops. After I've got all of our milk pails washed, this is usually the point where I get a new rag. Because this rag has touched the outside. And the reason is because the outside pail, if it's the pail that was taken to milk, it's sat down on the ground. So there's usually mud and all that stuff. So that's why I choose a different rag. It doesn't ever go back on the inside. So I've got my new rag now, and now I'm just going to clean the tops.